Oh, this is the rock that he had in his mouth yesterday.
Jacob had that in his mouth yesterday.
And he wouldn't give it up.
That's Jacob playing in our yard. In our house in Portland. Beavis G. Jacob. Jacob.
Oh, look, the kids hit their ball over here again. I think that happens a lot.
Jacob.
No, 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 no. Don't touch that.
You excited, huh? You're excited, huh? That's Epo, huh? Hey, don't eat that. No, don't eat that rock. Put it down. You don't eat rocks. That's icky. What does he do? Pick up another rock? No, no, no. Jacob. Don't eat that. Josh, help.